Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor, and I come here every day to teach you, to guide you, to share this beautiful practice with you all. We will sit back on the mat. Now we are practicing some dynamic work. हम कुछ asanas practice करेंगे, some energetic strength based asanas which will help us to build strength in the whole body, and we'll try to do those asanas together. Let me show you the first sequence. We are doing two poses here. देख लीजिए मुझे, I'm demonstrating, just watch me first. We are practicing Utkatasana, the chair pose, and Ardha Uttanasana, the half forward fold together. Meaning, you'll keep your feet hip distance or together, that's up to you, whatever is easy for you. हिप डिस्टेंस आसान होगा, सो अगर आपको प्रैक्टिस आसान और सिंपल करनी है, कीप योर फीट हिप डिस्टेंस. You will then enter your Utkatasana chair pose by pushing the hip back, knees down and arms up. Now beginners, if you feel this posture is hard for you, you can just go halfway here. You can keep your hands on your thighs and just go halfway, okay? Others, if you feel you can go full range, you'll go down more, bring the hips down, bring your arms up and you'll hold in your Utkatasana. Followed by, you will straighten the legs, you will hinge from the hip and you will enter your Ardha Uttanasana half forward fold. यहाँ पे अगर आपको हाथ यहाँ रखना मुश्किल लगता है, आप हाथों को कमर पर भी रख सकते हैं आसानी से. Make sure that you're not putting the hands down. कोशिश करें कि आप इस पोज को एक्टिव करने की कोशिश करें, यानी कि आपके हाथ फ्लोर पर टच नहीं होंगे. You can slightly bend your knees, that is okay, and you'll stay here and then you will relax. इसे हम 5 बार प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. Utkatasana to Ardha Uttanasana, rest, and we will do it for 5 times. Okay? Everyone, let's start. We'll keep our feet hip distance, back straight, core engaged. Bring a lot of tightness here, a lot of stability here. Let's go. One deep inhale. Hips को नीचे, घुटनों को bend करते हुए, हाथों को ऊपर. Stay there, everyone. Deep breaths. एकाग्र दृष्टि. Looking at the point in front of you. अगर ये मुश्किल लगे, आप हाथों को घुटनों पर इस तरीके से प्लेस कर सकते हैं. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. And from there, push the knees back, push the hip back, reach with the body forward, hands on your waist or overhead, that's up to you. And you go in your Ardha Uttanasana, half forward fold. You're basically trying to make a 90-degree angle. अगर ये आपको बहुत मुश्किल लगता है तो आप ब्लॉक का सपोर्ट ले सकते हैं, बट एज मिनिमल एज पॉसिबल. जितना कम उतना बेहतर. So maybe you can just gently place your hands on the block, still keeping your back flat. You have to make a table-like shape from the back. Keep holding and slowly stand back up. Breathe. Second round. Let's go, everyone. Ready? Inhale, hips down, knees bent, arms up. Utkatasana, chair pose, hold. Deep breaths. अगर हाथों को ऊपर रखना मुश्किल लगता है, आप ब्लॉक को इस तरीके से ऊपर रख के you can try to pull the block from both sides. That will make it easy for you to keep the palms away, to keep your shoulders straight. Keep holding, keep holding. And from there, reach, reach, reach. Ardha Uttanasana, half forward fold, everyone. Reach with the spine. Try to straighten the legs. Slightly soften your knees. If you feel it's hard for you, you can put weight on the block this way. Okay? Or if not the block, you can just touch the floor down with your fingertips. Deep breaths. स्पाइन को सीधा करने की कोशिश करनी है. Make the pose active. And slowly come back up, rest, breathe. Good job, everyone. You feel your muscles activating, your front and the back. In your Utkatasana, you're really using your thighs, and in your Uttanasana, you're really using the back of your thighs. This way, we are trying to strengthen your body. Let's do the third round, everyone. Ready? Inhale, hips down, knees bent, arms up. Utkatasana, chair pose, hold. Again, you can use a block in between your hands. Try pulling the block from either sides. Keep pushing the hip down. Think of sitting down on a chair. Deep breaths, everyone. And slowly, we will go to our Ardha Uttanasana. Reach with the spine forward. Push the hip back. Hinging from the hip. आपको hip से fold करना है. Spine को bend नहीं करना है. Spine आपकी back एकदम सीधी रहेगी. आपकी रीढ़ की हड्डी को सीधी रखना है. उसे bend नहीं करना है. अगर मुश्किल लगे आप हाथों के नीचे ब्लॉक को इस तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करके यू कैन मेंटेन द अलाइनमेंट. And slowly coming up, breathe, rest, relax. जैसे हम 2 बार और प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. With me everyone, don't lose your spirit. We'll do it together. Ready? Everyone, let's go. Knees bent, hips down, arms up. Keep holding, keep holding. Keep pushing the hip down, knees bent. मुश्किल लगे तो हाथों को thighs पे रख सकते हैं. Stay. सारा ध्यान आपकी सांस की तरफ. That will make the practice easy for you. And slowly, we straighten the legs. We reach with the spine forward. Hands on your waist. Ardha Uttanasana, half forward fold. Maintain a flat back. You can slightly bend your knees if you like, but maintain a flat back. Keep looking down on the floor. And slowly, everyone, come up, breathe. Relax. Your stomach and your lower back are also getting some work done here. तो अगर आपको थोड़ा engagement यहाँ और यहाँ महसूस होता है, that is absolutely okay. We are trying to strengthen your abdomen and the lower back region. Let's finish it, everyone. इसे हम एक आखिरी बार और practice करेंगे. Keep your spirits high, keep your energy high. Do not give up. Ready? We go. Inhale. Knees bent, hips down, arms up. Hold your Utkatasana, chair pose. Stay there. Keep your feet strong, back straight, spot fixed. Deep breaths. And from there, you will straighten the legs, straighten the spine, make a nice table-like shape with your back. If you find it hard, you can place a block under the hands. Keep the back flat, as less support from the floor and block as possible. And slowly stand back up and relax, everyone. Good job. Let's take a nice break here. Breathe. You can sit. Last but not the least, remember to follow Times at Plus Insta community so you're not missing out on any tips, on any updates, on any knowledge videos that we are sending across your way. I will now sign off, everyone. This was amazing. Thank you so much. You know the drill. I will see you next class with the same energy, same spirit. Till then, you will keep your posture upright, spine erect, smile on your face. You will be kind, polite to yourself and to everyone around, and you will always stay grateful. Thank you so much, everyone. Namaste.